Name ist Frau Inge. Und as you know, I am the producer und director for Confessions of a Refashionista und Refashionista Sheri. So, today I'm doing the troll time once again, and this one is a very interesting one, very interessant, and I think it is very funny and very fitting for the time of year we have right now. And this one was under one of Sheri's Halloween costume upcycling compilations that she put together and she shared with you guys. So also, this is very funny because this person's name is actually Karen. It is actually Karen. Okay, so Karen says, gross costumes. Please do better next year. Pee and poo, brains. I could not scroll further. Pick. I'm not exactly sure what she's meaning by pick. Maybe she's meaning ick, and she put a P by accident. You know, sometimes the typing doesn't work when you're writing something and you're angry. Yes, yes. Okay, so let's take a look at what she was talking about. The Pee und Poo costumes, which that's sehr lustig. That is so funny. And you have to remember, okay, Sheri is coming up with lots of different ideas, and I'm wondering if maybe this person doesn't have so much creativity, but for that costume, Sheri was looking in her tights, and she found a pair of tights, brown ones, that were not so nice anymore. So she made this hat from these tights, and it's most certainly a poop hat. And she was thinking, oh, maybe I'm just going to do like a poop emoji and put, you know, the big eyeballs on here. But then she remembered she had a yellow sweater, yellow pants, and yellow shoes, and a yellow hat. So it just came together as a very adorable couple's costume. You don't get any cuter than that. And she went in this costume to the library that year for her daughter. They had a little party for the Kinder, for the children. And you know what? Every single person loved their costume so much, especially the Kinder, especially the children. Okay, the other one is, oh yes, the brains. And I think maybe she was a little bit concerned about that one because it was her daughter, her child, who had wanted that. And all this is a different way, a different place on the body to do Sheri's DIY wounds and scars. And all that is glue, tissue, and a little bit of makeup. That's all. It's very easy for everyone to do. And of course, the tutorial will be down below for you. But again, this is another case of someone thinking that what they think and they believe, everybody must think that way and believe that way. You know, in that compilation post, there were many costumes. There was cute ones, there was the gross ones, there was the funny ones. There were so many different costumes. And because there were two in this very long list that this Karen didn't like, really, her name is Karen, that Karen didn't like, she thought she needed to write that and say, please do better next year. Oh my goodness, Karen. Please do better when you are looking online, okay? And maybe don't think that your opinion and your thoughts and feelings should be shared by everyone. Yeah? These are things that Sheri has made for herself and her family. And if they enjoy it, that's what's important, right? You don't have to enjoy it. You can go outside and see many things you don't like. That doesn't mean you go up to the people and say, I don't like this. I don't like you. You don't do that. That is not nice. Stop it. But you know what? I bet she doesn't do that, right? Because the keyboard trolls, they don't do it in person because they don't have the cover of the internet Yeah, if you see, she doesn't even have her actual face in the profile picture. It is a picture of what I believe is a Christmas or Weihnachtscake. Yeah, so she is definitely a coward, and this is the type of thing that, once again, you don't have to like everything that somebody does, but you also don't have to go and criticize those things you don't like, because I'm quite certain there are people in your life, Karen, who really don't like many things that you do, and maybe they keep their mouth shut, maybe they don't, so, and that's why you internalize all of that, and then you want to spew it out to anybody else. And the easiest way to do that is to spew it out to somebody online where you think there will be no repercussions and everyone will agree with you. Well, I can guarantee that not many people agree with you, because that is a very, very popular post, especially around the Halloween time. Okay, so I think once again, we are learning the lesson that if you cannot say anything nice or type anything nice, it's better to just because nobody needs to hear those things or see those things. And there's a saying that everyone has an Arschloch, but not every Arschloch needs to be seen and heard. Correct? Correct. Okay, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and Refashionista Sheri and me, Frau Inge, we will catch you on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.